Managing construction projects is complicated. Dozens of teams, hundreds of changes, thousands of hours, all working together to deliver on time, on budget, on schedule. Delivering complex projects requires a new way of connecting teams and workflows. Intuitive tools for sharing plans and gathering project data. Powerful predictive insights driving better business outcomes. This is Autodesk Build. Project management, field collaboration, and cost controls, all managed together. In the office, in the field, in real time. Autodesk Build connects plans and data from design and pre-construction directly to the office and field, reducing turnaround time and miscommunication without sacrificing reviews and approvals. Smart drawings leverage the power of BIM for the field. Model data is a tap away in 2D and 3D. Issues, annotations, and photos make it easy to work together directly on the drawings and track progress from any device. Connected meeting minutes, forms, and assets simplify collaboration and decision-making. When an issue needs escalations, it snaps to the RFI, change order, and cost workflows, reducing confusion, risk, and resolution time. And in the background, all of this data is organized into reports and predictive dashboards, driving better decisions today and tomorrow. Autodesk Build powers collaboration, drives decisions, and delivers insights. Get back to building with Autodesk Build.